So welcome back student. After completing alcohol, now next hydroxyl compound, that is phenols. Okay. See, alcohol and phenols both are hydroxyl compound. Both are hydroxyl, but difference is that in both are hydroxyl group containing compound, both contain alcohol as well as phenols, but difference is that in alcohol hydroxyl group is attached to carbon atom and the carbon atom bearing hydroxyl group, that is aliphatic. That is aliphatic means this carbon atom may be of alkene or alkyne, three type. Okay, that is aliphatic hydrocarbon. OH group attached to aliphatic hydrocarbon, carbon atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is called alcohols. And now what are phenols? See, we know hydrocarbon basically divide into two types, as we have seen, aliphatic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic, we have explained already what are aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon, for example, benzene. Aromatic hydrocarbon, for example, or aromatic compound, that is benzene. Benzene is a parental aromatic compound. Okay, C6H6. This is aromatic compound. Benzene, C6H6. Now, this is aromatic compound or aromatic hydrocarbon. If I am going to replace one hydrogen atom by one OH group, then any hydrogen, because benzene contains 6 hydrogen atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all are identical, so we can replace any one. Suppose if I am going to replace this hydrogen top, then by OH group, this type of compound obtained, remaining hydrogen are as it is. Okay, but here we have replaced one hydrogen by OH group. Now this compound obtained containing hydroxyl group. Okay, this new compound obtained from benzene. Benzene is aromatic hydrocarbon or aromatic compound. From this aromatic compound we have replaced one hydrogen, or we can replace one more also, more than one also, by more than one OH group also, but just for understanding take one hydrogen, okay, by one OH group. Then this compound obtained, in this compound OH group attached to aromatic carbon, aromatic ring of aromatic carbon atom of aromatic ring. Such compound are known as phenols. They are not alcohol. Alcohol means OH group attached to aliphatic carbon atom of aliphatic compound, then it is alcohols. But in this compound OH group attached to aromatic ring, carbon atom of aromatic ring, that's this compound are known as phenols. Phenols, they are phenol. Okay, see one example of this phenols compound. What is difference? In phenols OH group attached to, remember, in phenols OH group attached to aromatic carbon atom of aromatic ring. In alcohol aliphatic carbon. Very important example. See, benzene is also represented by this formula, and if OH group is attached, its name is itself phenol. Phenols is a class, here S, remember, phenols, and here phenol. Okay, its name is phenol. Again, in phenols, monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol. One OH group monohydric, two OH group dihydric. See, dihydric, its name is resorcinol. Resorcinol is dihydric phenol, two OH group. Then alpha naphthol, then beta naphthol. All these compound are phenols, belong to phenols, beta naphthols, beta naphthol. Okay, these are the example of phenols category. All these compound belong to phenols type because OH group attached to aromatic ring. See, here OH group attached to aromatic ring, here both the OH group attached to aromatic ring, here OH group attached to aromatic ring. This is naphthalene ring, this is naphthalene and OH group attached. So alpha naphthol. Here OH group attached to beta naphthol. So all these are the organic compound, hydroxyl group containing compound, and in which OH group, this is the functional group present in this compound, O hydroxyl group attached to carbon atom of aromatic ring. Such compound are known as phenols, and these are the example: phenol, resorcinol, alpha naphthol, beta naphthol, and many more. Okay, so these are phenol. So how many hydroxyl compound are there? Two types, that is alcohol and phenol. What is difference between alcohol and phenol? In alcohol, hydroxyl group attached to aliphatic carbon atom, but in phenols, hydroxyl group attached to carbon atom of aromatic ring. That is the difference between alcohol and phenols. Okay, so these are the two classes having same functional group, that is hydroxyl, but two different subdivided. Hydroxyl group are subdivided into two category, alcohol and phenols. So student, in next time we will again see more organic classes of organic compound. Thank you very much.